We are following some developing news about Shoppingtown Mall in DeWitt tonight.
The owners have not paid the nearly $10 million in back taxes by close of business day today, as the court ordered.
But they did try another legal move. News Channel 9's Jeff Kulikowski following this story. Jeff, what were they trying to do?
Well, basically, Rod and Christy, I'll try to make it as simple as possible. That appellate ruling that gave them this extended deadline to today to pay their taxes, well, it can also allow them to pay an agreed-upon amount so the ruling could be put on hold while they wait for their appeal to be heard in this case. So here's the letter right here where they've asked a judge to be able to pay $10,000 for now, not the nearly $10 million they owe.
According to this letter filed with the court around 9:30 this morning, Shoppingtown's attorneys say the mall will agree to post what's called an appropriate undertaking to obtain a stay of enforcement, legalese for stopping or suspending, in this case, the ruling from this May ordering them to pay their back taxes. State Supreme Court Judge Anthony Paris ruled May 9th against the mall's owners in a lawsuit brought by Erie LLC, the owners of the former Macy's property at Shoppingtown. They had sued Shoppingtown to force them to pay their taxes to the county, claiming the mall's failure to do so is not only making it difficult to redevelop the Macy's part of the mall, but also putting it in imminent jeopardy of being lost to the county. But in today's letter, the mall claims the property cannot be foreclosed on until at least October 2019, so they say Shoppingtown currently has to pay nothing to prevent foreclosure, and also concludes, contrary to Judge Paris's decision, they say, plaintiff's property is not at risk of foreclosure. The mall and its attorneys submit an appropriate amount for the undertaking, should in fact be $0, but Shoppingtown is nonetheless willing to post an undertaking of $10,000.
Now, this again is just a proposal. They need the judge to agree to it, and from everything I can tell, Justice Centra has not responded. On Friday, he denied Shoppingtown's request to him for another extension, this time of 45 days, to continue settlement discussions with the county. Rod, we'll continue to follow this.
All right, Jeff, thanks very much. Now, last month, lawyers for the mall filed with the State Supreme Court's Appellate Division in Rochester what is called a notice of appeal of the lower court ruling in May that ordered Shoppingtown to pay their back taxes to Onondaga County.